pie chart is another way to present data in a report. It works in a very similar way to the bar chart seen in a previous tutorial. Drag a pie chart onto the drawing area and then choose the fields to report on. In this example, we will report by department, and we will display the value of requests using the sum function and the total cost field. Preview the report to see how the pie chart is displayed. Report users can make use of the mouse over features to see more information for a specific bar in a bar chart or for a specific slice in the pie chart. With the pie chart, you may select specific colours for specific values in a slice. To do this, open the Style section in the Pie Chart Properties. You will need to know the options for each slice, which in this example would be the department names. Choose a specific colour in the colour picker and enter the department name in the corresponding field to the right. Once again, you may preview the report to see the specific colours chosen for each slice of the pie.